Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Kabordar Security Force Meklia Frontier Kalaong baka Jingker Sainar Hagijaka Khappud Kabaladep haduk mentah kalong 90% bat ka kemilenti ban pendap no kendai pau persen hapo jong une usnam ladap ban ker Sainar 90% Hagijaka Khappud bat kane kadang nyat hakibabun kijaka kajing wat jaka kadang nyat haketuk ne bat ngikmilenti hapo usnam arajar apuar ngila ban pendap kendai pau persen ya kajing ker Sainar ong UDIG ka BSF Meklia Frontier Parvin Bakshi habaya kran batkilat pathai kubor hakasngi sajan ula ongru balada biang kajaka lese en sala men pendap no ya kan nyingker Sainar habaro kijaka Khappud jong kajala habakali ubakshi ula ong katkum ki kendon international norms omla benya chakmat bat kino kijing sena niki kame dari hapo sispa san pro na ulan Khappud lakalong nakaliang jongi ne nasiliang ulai thu bakitei kijaka kidei kibadon Khappud Bangladesh hakaba kibreu kisyong kisa hapo ispasan pro kumba julong hakine kijaka gidon arteli kilat ngila ban penkeriya yaki sajengai naka cispasan pro ne harangkat kajinge menjur lang jong ke Bangladesh ngila ban penyang ya kajingker Sainar hapo cispasan pro ya kane kakam ngila yakran bat kibana siliang balada yo jing menjur na Bangladesh ngila ban ker Sainar ong UDIG.
The border is already fenced and at many places it is going on. And at few places where the land acquisition process is on, and hopefully in the end of 22, by end of this year it would be subject to the land. So we are hoping that at the end of this year we'll be able to complete around 90% of the fence, and if land is available, more the whole.
There were media reports about link house.
As per international norms are concerned, so no construction work or defense work can be undertaken within 150 yards from international border. Neither we can take nor they can take on their side. So following those norms, the fence is erected at 150 yards. So there are places all over along the Bangladesh border where people are residing within the 150 yards. So normally in those areas we have two options: either we can resettle them beyond 150 yards, or with the concurrence of Bangladesh we can erect fence within 150 yards. So those cases have been taken with the Bangladesh. If we got concurrence from there, then we can do the fencing ahead of that village also. So latest is at six places the concurrence has been received, and there the fence is being erected within 150. Concluded a 3-day operation in which the driving lessons were checked. So basically, there is a app, Privan app, which gives you the detail if you feed just the number. So by that app, we are checking the authenticity of the drivers and their licenses. And if we found somebody, so police and RTO is there, we hand over to them.
This operation only conducted to BSF?
Is there LCS, because we are not conducting this operation on the hinterland, on the land customs station and ICP, where the trucks are taking the goods to the Bangladesh. There we are conducting. Fencing, wherever it has been approved, there has been continuing, and where the land is available, state has given the land, the work has been already allotted, the work is going on. Dot on the zero line, there could be
Within 150 yards.
these 38 villages are within 150 yards, so there could be few which are just touching the border. Later, we can provide you later how many. Even we have the list. We can give you the names and all villages, their locations.
So what is the status of these 38 villages?
Any decision being taken?
So that is what I told you, that cases are pending with the Bangladesh government, and we are waiting for the concurrence. So once concurrence is received, then it is realigned, the fence will be realigned and the fence will be erected as per the conference. Is my another promise which is still pending. We will take you there. Elephant corridors are actually, these are the old routes for the elephant herds. They keep on moving on these herds. And in Bangladesh, since there are no forest area, so they cross over to this area and go to inside, and then they will go back using the same, almost same. So those are the places we commonly call them the elephant corridors. So the difficulty is being faced. Number one, if the area is fenced, so elephant will come and cause damage to the fence. Number two, even if somebody who is on the duty, his life is also sometime endangered. And number three, since when the herd moves, these smuggler also can take advantage of that area, taking this or the following the herd. So that is also there.
Yeah.
So normally the damage to the fence and to the life and the even civilian property is also damaged sometimes in the village they enter. No, we basically, it's a small time affair, it's not a long time that they are roaming around, it's just a crossing over. And if we came to know, because with experience, people who are performing duty, they are aware that the herd is now coming on this side. So if we came to know beforehand, sometimes we keep the gate open and they silently cross over without damaging the fence.
BOP. So that area was already fenced, completely fenced. So will there be any system that there will be a gate, like what you mentioned, so that this elephant, at this time, they will at least cross to Bangladesh or come to India?
No, if we came to know, normally we open the gate. Gates are there. Gates are as per the instruction. Gates at every 1 kilometer you will find one gate. Even people, if they want to go and do the agriculture part ahead of fence, they are allowed. So gates are there, but animal may not follow all the rules and regulations.
No, because in this area, for the last 3 years,
Local civilian, if they suggest something which is in our purview, we can take care of it. So, that much I can say that our efforts are on, and you may get news and sometimes, because this process takes long time. Sometimes it is very easily convinced that person and he is ready to come. Sometimes he is not convinced that much and it takes time. So our efforts are on.